Welcome to another episode of Channel Name. Today we're diving into one of BMW's most exciting creations, the 2025 BMW M5 Touring. Imagine combining breathtaking performance with family-friendly practicality and wrapping it all up in a sleek, luxurious package. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, the M5 Touring is here to prove otherwise. Is it a race car disguised as a family wagon, or is it a luxury cruiser with a need for speed? Stick around because we're unpacking everything you need to know about the 2025 BMW M5 Touring, and by the end, you might just find yourself wanting one in your garage. Exterior design: bold, aggressive, and beautiful. The 2025 BMW M5 Touring takes inspiration from the standard 5 Series Touring, but it amps up the aggression with signature M Performance styling elements. Let's start with its front fascia, where the iconic kidney grille dominates the landscape. Unlike older models, the grille features a slimmer, more angular design, making the car look both modern and menacing. Laser headlights are these adaptive lights not only illuminate the darkest roads, but also add a futuristic edge to the car's design. Plus, they include BMW's signature blue accents for that unmistakable look. Aerodynamic enhancements: our air intakes at the front bumper are larger than ever, channeling airflow to cool the massive V8 engine. Side profile: as the long, low stance of the Touring body combines elegance and athleticism. Unique M-specific side skirts enhance aerodynamics while maintaining a refined aesthetic. The rear design is where this wagon truly flexes its sporty DNA. Quad exhaust pipes are nestled into a glossy black diffuser, which not only looks sharp but also improves airflow. Add the roof spoiler, and you've got a perfect balance of form and function. For customization enthusiasts, BMW offers an array of paint colors exclusive to the M division, including the jaw-dropping Frozen Pure Grey. Combined with the 21-inch forged alloy wheels, every detail screams performance. Interior: a fusion of comfort and innovation. Step into the 2025 BMW M5 Touring, and you're greeted by an interior that feels like it belongs in a 5-star lounge. From its ultra-luxurious materials to cutting-edge technology, this cabin is crafted to impress. BMW has left no stone unturned in crafting the M5 Touring's cabin. From carbon fiber trim to soft-touch Alcantara and merino leather upholstery, the interior feels as premium as it gets. The driver-focused layout ensures that every button, display, and control is within easy reach. Even the seats are meticulously designed with enhanced bolstering for spirited driving and long-distance comfort. With over 30 customizable color options, the ambient lighting system sets the perfect mood, whether you're cruising at night or heading to a weekend getaway. The interior isn't just about luxury, it's also packed with practicality. The Touring body style offers generous cargo space, and BMW has made it incredibly versatile. With the rear seats up, you have enough room for a family's luggage. Fold them down, and the space expands to a massive 1,700 liters, making it perfect for everything from grocery runs to road trips. Performance: power that redefines expectations. At the heart of the 2025 BMW M5 Touring lies its most exciting feature: the engine. This isn't just a wagon, it's a beast in disguise. The 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine is a masterpiece of engineering. It churns out an astonishing 617 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque, making it one of the most powerful wagons on the market. Acceleration: despite its size, this car doesn't hold back. It sprints from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.5 seconds. That's quicker than many sports cars. The M5 Touring features multiple driving modes, including Comfort, Sport, and Track, allowing you to tailor the car's performance to your needs. In Comfort mode, the adaptive suspension smooths out the bumps, making it ideal for daily commutes. Switch to Sport mode, and the car transforms into a sharp, responsive machine, with stiffer suspension and a louder exhaust note. What's more, the M5 Touring features an xDrive all-wheel drive system. This system provides exceptional grip and stability, but if you're in the mood for some fun, you can switch to rear-wheel drive mode for thrilling drifts. Technology: smarter than ever. BMW has packed the 2025 M5 Touring with technology that makes every drive more enjoyable and convenient. The dual-screen curved display combines a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with a 14.9-inch infotainment screen. Powered by the new iDrive 8.5 system, it's faster, smarter, and more intuitive than ever before. Driver assistance features are advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and the parking assistant ensure that even the most complex driving situations are a breeze. Wireless connectivity is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, alongside wireless charging and multiple USB-C ports for all your devices. Efficiency, a new era of high-performance hybrids. The 2025 BMW M5 Touring represents a step forward in eco-conscious performance. Its mild hybrid system uses a 48-volt electric motor to reduce emissions and improve fuel economy. While it won't run on electric power alone, the system assists the V8 engine during acceleration, boosting efficiency without sacrificing power. BMW has also implemented several sustainable practices in the car's construction, including the use of recycled materials in the interior trim and carpeting. Safety. Built to protect. The M5 Touring doesn't just deliver thrills, it also prioritizes safety. BMW has equipped it with a suite of advanced safety features, including collision avoidance feature for automatic emergency braking and pedestrian detection come standard. 360-degree camera. This feature provides a full view of your surroundings, making tight parking spots stress-free. Night vision, an optional feature that uses infrared technology to detect animals and pedestrians in low visibility conditions. Luxury and performance come at a cost. The 2025 BMW M5 Touring starts at around $120,000, with higher trims and optional packages pushing the price further. Given its unique blend of power and practicality, it's an investment that promises immense value for enthusiasts. Real-world driving impressions, a wagon that defies limits. No review of the 2025 BMW M5 Touring would be complete without discussing how it performs in real-world driving scenarios. After all, this car isn't just about numbers on a spec sheet, it's about the feeling you get behind the wheel. The M5 Touring may be a beast on the track, but it's surprisingly manageable in urban environments. Steering and maneuverability are the precise steering and compact turning radius make navigating tight city streets a breeze. The rear-wheel steering system enhances agility, especially in crowded parking lots or narrow alleys. In this setting, the adaptive suspension absorbs bumps effortlessly, creating a smooth, almost floating sensation, even on less than perfect roads. Highway cruising. Long drives are where the M5 Touring truly shines. Adaptive Cruise Control is BMW's advanced cruise control system with lane-keeping assist that ensures stress-free highway driving. Acoustic insulation is thanks to high-quality soundproofing. The cabin remains whisper-quiet, even at high speeds, the only sound breaking the silence. The glorious V8 growls if you choose to let it loose. While it's no Prius, the mild hybrid system adds a touch of efficiency, making it possible to cruise long distances without frequent stops. Performance driving. Let's be honest, nobody buys an M5 Touring just for grocery runs. This car begs to be driven hard. In sport mode, the suspension tightens, the throttle response sharpens, and the exhaust roars to life. On winding roads, the xDrive all-wheel drive system ensures that power is distributed evenly, giving you confidence through sharp corners and tight bends. The carbon ceramic brakes are an optional upgrade, but they're worth every penny if you plan on pushing this car to its limits. The 2025 BMW M5 Touring is more than just a car, it's a lifestyle statement. It proves that you don't have to compromise between speed, luxury, and practicality. Whether you're a family driver who loves performance or an enthusiast craving practicality, this car has something for everyone. What's your take on the 2025 BMW M5 Touring? Does it live up to the hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Until next time, stay tuned for more exciting car content.